Here are the key points US President Donald Trump announced as part of his Middle East plan. Trump's plan involves redrawing the boundaries around the occupied West Bank. Now, no Palestinian representatives were involved or consulted in the creation of this plan, where large chunks of land would be given to Israel, especially around Jerusalem and the Jordan Valley. Past negotiations between Israeli and Palestinian representatives, such as the Oslo Accords, were based on a recognition of the pre-1967 borders of Palestine. Trump's plan would also recognize Israeli sovereignty over major illegal settlement blocks in the occupied West Bank. This would mean the settlements would become part of Israeli territory. Trump also said Israel had agreed to a 4-year freeze on settlement construction. Trump said Jerusalem will remain Israel's undivided capital, with the proposed borders reflecting the change. Parts of occupied East Jerusalem could serve as the capital of a state of Palestine, according to the plan. Trump has already recognized Jerusalem as the capital of Israel, moving the U.S. Embassy there in 2018. The creation of the new state of Palestine was also proposed. It would be made up of several different areas connected by roads and tunnels. New Palestinian territories near the Egyptian border are also suggested. These territories will be linked to Gaza and are supposed to include a high-tech manufacturing industrial zone and a residential and agricultural area. The plan would also have the Jordan Valley become part of Israel. The strategic area would give Israel control of the border with Jordan, which the plan says is critical for Israel's national security. The plan says Palestinians would still be able to access their existing agricultural enterprises there. Palestinian Authority President Mahmoud Abbas has rejected this plan, calling it the final phase of the Balfour Declaration.